In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a master sheet in Google Sheets. This master sheet will help you consolidate data from different sheets into one single, organized location. Let's get started. First, open Google Sheets. If you don't have it open already, you can find it by going to your Google Drive, selecting New, and then Google Sheets. Once you're ready, we'll move on to the next step. Next, click on cell A1. This is the starting point for our formula, and it's important to select it correctly so that the data populates in the right area. After that, you'll type in the formula, starting with an equal sign followed by an open curly brace. Your formula should look like this, equals open curly brace. Think of this as telling Google Sheets that you want to start listing out a set of instructions. Now, click on your January sheet. If you have other sheets containing data by month, ensure you're selecting the correct one. Once you've accessed the January sheet, highlight the range of cells you want to capture in your master sheet, typically a range like A1 to D11. This is the part where you're specifying exactly what data you want to import into the master sheet. After selecting your January range, go ahead and type a semicolon. The semicolon acts as a separator, indicating that you're done with this batch of data and are ready to move on to the next. You're now going to repeat the process for February. Go to the February sheet by clicking on it. Again, highlight the cells you need to capture, from A2 to D11, or whatever range suits your data layout. Once you have highlighted those cells, to close your formula, type a closing curly brace. This signifies the end of your data references within the formula. We're almost there. The last thing you need to do is hit the Enter key. By doing this, Google Sheets processes the formula and pulls all the specified data from each sheet into this master worksheet. And there you have it. You now have a master sheet that pulls data from multiple monthly sheets into one tidy summary. This method is particularly useful for keeping a bird's eye view of your project or business activities across different timeframes. Remember, you can always modify the ranges or add sheets as needed. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find your new master sheet a helpful addition to your workflow. See you next time.